Why do HVAC warranties have maintenance requirements? HVAC warranties require maintenance because regular service helps prevent damage caused by neglect and lets manufacturers verify that the equipment was properly cared for. An air conditioner or furnace is made of many parts that must work together, and dirt, blocked airflow, or worn components can make the system work much harder. For example, a dirty air filter can reduce airflow, causing the system to overheat, freeze, or use more electricity. Maintenance usually includes checking electrical connections, cleaning important parts, measuring refrigerant, inspecting safety controls, and testing airflow. These checks can find small problems before they damage expensive parts such as the compressor, blower motor, or heat exchanger. Manufacturers include maintenance rules because a machine that was not serviced may fail for a reason unrelated to a manufacturing defect. A lesser-known detail is that some warranties do not require service from the manufacturer, but they may require dated records showing that qualified work was completed. Keep invoices, service notes, and receipts in one folder, and read the warranty booklet because the required schedule can differ by equipment type and location. Ask the technician to write down what was inspected, what was adjusted, and the equipment identification number. One common mistake is assuming that changing the filter counts as complete maintenance, but filter replacement does not test refrigerant, electrical parts, drainage, or safety controls, so schedule professional inspections as required. Another mistake is waiting until the system breaks, which can leave you without coverage if the warranty asks for earlier records, so set calendar reminders before each heating and cooling season. Some owners also hire an unqualified person or cannot prove the work happened, so use a properly qualified contractor and save itemized paperwork with the date and equipment details. Never ignore unusual noises, weak airflow, water leaks, burning smells, or repeated shutdowns, because continuing to run the system can turn a small repair into major damage. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.